Alright, we're going to start the stopwatch now, and we're going to create a logo for our SaaS in a couple minutes. So let's do that. So first, I search up AI logo generator. We're going to go to this first one, logoai.com, whatever. And we're going to just, yeah, cool. We're going to input our information. So, build publicly. That's our SaaS that we're working on. We're going to continue. Industry, it's going to be more internet, I guess. So let's go there. Color, I'm going to go with grayscale because it's more black and green, but grayscale look good. I like modern logos and futuristic logos because they're all like tech stuff, which is kind of what I'm going for. So we're going to generate and we'll see what they give us. Alright, so here's the logos they generated for us. They look pretty good. I'm a fan of this one and this one. These two. And here's the thing. We have to buy them here. We're not going to do that. So we're going to go here. Logo maker. I think we're going to use the Adobe one if we can download it. Okay. I think we're going to go with this. Or we can use Canva as well. Let's use Canva because I hate Adobe. Let's do that. Yep. So let's look at so let's look at the designs they have for us. This one and this one looks very cool. I like the font on this one. This one does look pretty cool. I like the font on this one actually the most. This is my favorite font. A mix of this logo and this logo. That's what I'm gonna go for. So I'm gonna use this font though. Hopefully they tell us the font. Let's see if they actually say. Okay, cool. Yeah, thank you. Now, tell me the font name. Edit. Oh, nice. We're gonna have to. Oh, does it say the font? Equestrial. Let's go. So we're gonna first go text. We're gonna write. Wait. Instead of doing, we should have this be the B. And then publicly. No. I guess we'll just do. Yeah. Okay. Let's just design this logo part for now. We're not gonna use the text. So what I like about this one is like the shape of it. I like that shape. So what I'm gonna do here is go elements. We're gonna try to make that shape. I don't know how exactly to do that. We're gonna figure it out. Those shapes. Let's see all the shapes they have here for us. Maybe you can find something close. Okay, this is pretty much exactly it. So we're gonna drag this here, put it there. Does that work? No? Okay, there we go. Alright, okay. We're gonna rotate it 90 degrees. Okay, can we snap it? Or okay, 90. Alright, we're gonna make it bigger. So we're gonna put it right in the middle, and then this is gonna be the part for our B and our P. Here's like the idea. You're gonna see the idea that I'm kind of going for here. We're gonna duplicate it. So first, let me go to. Is there a way to go to layers to view the layers position? Layers. There we go. First, we're gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna bring it down here and kind of match it, but we're gonna go over a little bit like this. And then what I want to do is I want to lower the opacity of the actual logo. So let's go here. Let's choose the color. My main theme is like green and black. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have both of these we're gonna have both of these should be colored. Let's just add green right here. Let's see what it looks like. And if we lower the opacity on both of them, let's document colors. Can we drag this here or something? Okay, no, guess not. Alright, let me see. Let's just do it from. How do we do? I'm so confused. How do we lower the. Okay, transparency, I guess. We could lower it like that. But I only want to lower it for one of them. So we're going to choose this top one. We're going to lower the transparency like this. Or no, I should lower the bottom one actually. So we'll choose the bottom one. Lower the transparency like this. I think it should be a completely different color. Let's just choose like this color for now. Like blackish, grayish thing. And then this should be on top. So we're going to go position again, layers. We're going to drag this one, like, drag it on top. Oh, can I do that? Or drag it? Yeah, there we go. What? Confused. Is it on top or no? This one is on top, I think, right? Okay, yeah, it is on top, but it's like just looking a little weird. Let's see, maybe. Yeah, I should have selected a different color. I think we can still do that. So let's select the top one. The top one's going to be green. Yeah, like this. And then it's going to be on the top layer. Okay, there we go. It's going to be on the top layer, and we're just going to add another shape, and it's going to be like a square for now. We're just going to drop it here. Why is there text? No, we don't need that. And then we're going to just connect it with the, like this part, so it can be a P, as if it's like the letter P. We're going to select the number here, 69. Okay, wow. We're going to copy and paste it here so they have the same exact opacity. So that's what we have so far for our logo. Build in is like it's supposed to be build publicly. There's like a P and a B kind of. So maybe what if I duplicate this, drag it up here? Would it look better if I do this? Let's see. I'm gonna put this to the back. No, it doesn't look good. Okay. So I think that looks good for now. Let's see. I think this color should be a little darker. So it should be like a black, more like a black, but not exactly black. Can we not choose colors? I mean, okay, like a really dark gray, like some almost like that. And I think that's good. That looks good. I'm liking how that's looking. Exported it, got it saved. That's how you create a logo very fast for your SaaS products.